car is loud. You want me to do it? Alright, yeah, you guys might want to stand back. I don't know.
Alright, go for it. Wait, let's get back. I'm gonna blow my fucking ears, watch. Cop, turn off.
There's a cop right there. Cop right there. There was all. Right there at the softball. What was it, Chief? It was a car. It's his car. His car sounds like a bunch of firecrackers.
I swear to God. Like, I swear to God.
Yes, it does, yeah. Well, we're getting calls, guys. So
I kind of figured you would, so.
All you guys, I mean, if you guys want to light it off or something, you guys got to find somewhere else to do it, okay? Especially in a crowded parking lot. I know you guys gather your cars and stuff, but I don't mind you sitting here, just don't light shit off, okay?
Okay. Alright, we got it, yeah.
Whatever you're doing, okay?
No problem.
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
You guys hiring?
We are.
You certified already?
No, that's the problem. I already got the email.
They're yelling at us for lighting fireworks. For lighting fireworks. He was like, you guys can't be lighting fireworks over here.
Yeah.
And like, it wasn't fireworks like
Oh shit, my bad. I'm sorry.